This text is in French and it is describing the seasons of the year. In this video, I'm going to show how you can use Word to translate this to the English language. I will highlight the entire paragraph. It's then a case of clicking on to Review. This ribbon will then appear. You then click on to Translate and you'll get this drop down, and I'm going to click this which says Translate Selection. If you were going to translate the whole document, you could click onto this, but as I say, I'm just going to click here on Translate Selection, and this sidebar here will appear. You can see that the sidebar is labeled with Translator, and if you look here you can see Selection is underlined because I'm going to be translating the selection, and here it says from French and in brackets detected. Now that means that it has identified this text as French and it's placed it here. Now my translator is set up to translate always to English, and you can see that here it says to English. Now you can click on this and you will get a drop down of other languages you can translate to, but I'm going to leave it as shown here. And if you look, here is the English text, which is the translation of the French that I've highlighted in the document. And now it's a question of simply clicking here onto Insert. Once you click on to Insert, you can see that the English text appears in the document as shown here.